This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, now we are going to discuss about Microsoft 365 demo. Okay, the first we will see the prerequisites. Okay, who can learn this course? Uh, like if you have some knowledge on Windows administration side, and if you know the DNS concepts, like if you have some good experience in Exchange online server, Exchange on-prem server, not online, on-prem server, and the basic stuff of networking like IP addresses, other thing classes, IP address classes, subnetting. If you have some basic knowledge about these firewalls or something, if you have a basic knowledge about this, you can easily understand the concepts. So these are the prerequisites to learn this course. Why I'm telling, if you have a some like a minimum 2 3 years of experience, the people can easily understand. You can ask, what about if I doesn't have experience? Okay, you can learn also, but you have to do some more practice on that. Okay, next, Microsoft. We will discuss about what is Office 365, what is Microsoft 365. Now the name was changed to Office 365 to Microsoft 365. Okay, why it was changed, we will discuss that in the coming sessions. Now it is a Microsoft 365 is like it's a SaaS based product, a software as a service, and it is intelligent cloud services they are providing world class with the world class security. There are different plans are available, like a home and business and enterprise plans. We will use enterprise plans. Okay, the plans, and we'll discuss in the coming sessions. Okay, what are the different plans are available, what are the features are on that. The next, the name was changed to Office 365 to the Microsoft 365. Okay, in still the micro Office 365 is available. It is a one of the product in Microsoft 365. Office 365 is one of the product in Microsoft 365. Office 365 earlier, how the plans are there, the still the plans are there for the small and enterprise business users, E1 and E3 and E5 licenses. Okay, the differences, coming to differences between the Office 365 and Microsoft, there is no difference. Microsoft 365 include everything you know on the my Office 365. It is all are included. Okay, we are getting some more extra products in Microsoft 365. We'll see those products. What are those products? Okay, Office 365 launched on June 28, 2011. Okay, and next Microsoft 365 was launched on July 10 and 2017. Okay. It will with the Microsoft 365 we are getting some more products I told, right. Those are the like a Windows 10 enterprise licenses we are getting. Okay, and the extra product we are getting here, MDM means mobile device management thing. We can manage the mobile devices also. From the console itself we can apply the policies, we can manage those devices also. That product also we are getting included in the Microsoft 365 with the Office 365 also. Next, Office 365 or Microsoft 365 are both are same now. Office 365 is a SaaS based product. Earlier now, like if you see the examples here, SaaS means Gmail is a SaaS based product. Okay, Yahoo is a SaaS based product. SaaS means software as a service. This is one of the component in cloud computing. This is one of the component in cloud computing, like how IaaS, PaaS are there. IaaS infrastructure as a service, PaaS as a platform as a service. These are the three components in cloud computing technology. Cloud computing technology, like nowadays, majorly are concentrating on the SaaS based products also, like how the market is for IaaS and PaaS. SaaS means directly if you have a internet, you can directly connect it to the internet and access the resources. Just you need to consume those resources from anywhere. Right? If you have internet, you can just connect those services and you can consume it. Like we no need to buy a license, we no need to buy hardware servers, we no need to buy any licensing for those, no need to apply the patches for those. Everything is end to end managed by the Microsoft. Just we have to consume the applications what are there providing the Microsoft. That's it. Okay, Microsoft now, earlier Office 365 certifications is there, now that converted into the Microsoft 365. Okay, there are a different certification exams is there. If you want to do on the Microsoft messaging side, you have to prepare for this MS 200 exam, messaging and platform. Okay, next, if you want to do on the Teams, Microsoft Teams, earlier it is a Skype for Business, now it is converted into the Teams. Okay, that is also one of the service in Microsoft 365. Okay, that if you want to do that specialized certification, you have to do the 300 exam, you have to write the 300 exam. And mobility MDM, if you want to do the MDM solution, you have to write the 101 certification, like this. See, depends on requirements, we'll do the certification. Okay, certification is for the entry point to the interview. Okay, it's a only entry point to the interview. You have a good experience, good command on the subject. Okay, without the certification also people will take you, but if you have a certification, that is one of the added advantage, that's it. Okay, only if I have a certification, you can ask the team to take me into the job, that will not work out. Okay, if you have a good command on the subject only, they will prefer to take you. Okay, next, here Office 365, my Office 365 hosted into the different data centers. Okay, we can see those data centers. The link is not appearing here. Okay, fine. Anyway, we'll see this later. Okay, operating Microsoft Office 365 data centers are operating from India, Mumbai, Pune, Chennai. Okay, the three locations they are operating. You can check it after taking the tenant licenses. You can able to check the from where my services are getting, from where my services are I'm getting. You can check that status once the tenant account is created. Okay, and we can check the health status also. If you have some issues like any services issues also there, we can check it from this portal, https status colon status dot office365.com. From there, from this we can check the status also, the services status. And Office 365 having the different licensing models, how the Microsoft is supported, the same like education users, home users, business and enterprise users. Okay, this is also going to support in the different platform Office 365. And example here we will see, like we discussed about the different licenses in Office 365 and E1, E3 and E5. Okay, if you see in the some features in the E1, like we are getting in the E1 Office web app, okay, we will not get a client application. In E1 plan we will get it only Office web apps, means from the web only we can able to access the email or Teams, etc. Okay, and we can get it email and calendar. We can get in this plan Microsoft Teams also, SharePoint online. Okay, and AMR, OneDrive, Streams, Power BI, etc. like this. Okay, these are all the services which we are getting in these plans. Means Office 365 is including these all the components, like a Exchange Online. If you want to deploy a on-premises Exchange server, yeah, what are the assets you require? Like you require the physical server, you require the operating system, you require the licensing, you require the Exchange application license, Exchange application you have to install. Again, you require the data center for to install these all the services. These are all into the coming into the picture. But if you are going to directly use this Office 365 cloud services, now directly you can get a Exchange online services, email services we can get it. And next, SharePoint online. SharePoint online, it is a collaboration service. Like a SharePoint on-prem server is also there. If you want again deploy on-prem server, the same assets are required, like a physical server, operating system. On top of that, you will install the SharePoint application, like that. Okay, for Ammer is also is there. Ammer is also one of the social networking kind of the site. How the Facebook is there, Ammer will reflect the same here. And OneDrive, how it will work means, already Google Drive is there, same like a OneDrive is also there. And Stream, like it's kind of the, we can publish our videos. If you have any technical knowledge or internal session videos are there, company internal session videos, you can post those videos here. And Power Business Intelligence tool. Okay, that is a BI tool. Here we are getting directly on the cloud. Okay, again, for that also, if you want to deploy in the on-prem, again the same physical servers, licensing, application licensing, OS license. Those are all the required again. And next, MDM solution also there. MDM is, we are getting in these plans now, Microsoft 365 plans. Like there are different plans like E1 and E3 and E5. Okay, these are available on the all the plans, all the three plans. But the major differences are there. Like you can get it in E1 plan only web access, email web access. You will not get a client application, office client application licenses here. And you can install office apps in the different systems or different laptops or different mobiles also. You can install, it means one license it supports to the 5 devices. That feature available in all three plans. And other difference, like a capacity of the mailbox is difference between E1 and E3 and E5. Okay, like a even which users will use the even plan means, like if in your company only support guys is there, like help desk or other support guys is there, for them we will use the even plan. Most of the organizations, we need to do the license segregation also, because of if license segregation is not happened, again it's the financial budget also will going to increase. If everyone, for every user, if I provide the E5 license, again it is a cost for me. So I can cut it down, and I can separate the licensing part here. Like if I will segregate to the application users one MD and managing directors VIPs for the one licensing. That also we have to take care here. Okay, and these are the features. Okay, the more what are the features are available in the three plans, we'll discuss into the coming sessions. Okay, next. See the what are the features we have discussed. Services. What are the feature services like Exchange Online, SharePoint Online, Teams, or Skype for Business, Office apps, OneDrive, Hammer, Power BI, Streams. These are all we are getting on the all the three plans. These are all we are getting on the all the three plans.